Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to count cells with text. So open an Excel sheet. We have to actually put a formula for it which is called counter. So let's count these texts. This is how we can do it. So we have to put a formula first which is equals to counter open parenthesis the range, select the range and close the parenthesis, click on OK. As you can see, there are actually 8 texts or 8 counts in the text. If you select it, in this little bar you can see there is also the count numbers. It is already shown here and we have found out through the formula 2. So you can find if it is correct or not by selecting the range. It will be shown here too. So I hope this little tutorial helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching guys. Bye bye.